The iQOO 15T is an upcoming flagship smartphone from iQOO, rumored to launch in May 2026. iQOO has now officially teased iQOO 15T in China. We already see the first look iQOO 15T. The camera module has two visible lenses along with the flashlight. It is expected to be a high-performance variant within the iQOO 15 series, distinguished by its massive battery capacity and high-resolution camera system. A 6.83-inch flat 2K LTPO 2.0 AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 6,000 nits. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, positioning it as a top-tier flagship rivaling Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 devices, featuring a 200MP primary sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, along with a 32MP front selfie camera. A standout 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, which would be the largest in the iQOO 15 lineup, supported by 80W fast charge. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.